Thank you. Have a good one.
So we went to pick up a new product of Louis Vuitton item in San Francisco. So I hope you will see soon.
Yay!
Hello my friends, today we are in Carmel Beach. So the purpose of this video is to do an unboxing for these new items we bought in Louis Vuitton San Francisco. So we hope you will enjoy, and don't forget to comment and like and below. So if you are interested on this video, don't forget to check it out, and let's go! So we will start with the receipt. So the real name of this product is Phone Holder Louise Noir. Ta-da! So now the most important, to open the box. Ta-da! So it's a new dust bag for us. It's a really good one, like it's suede, yeah. And you have the blue drawstring, and the most important now is the holder phone. So it's in gold, and you have the monogram, the regular one, in brown. The serial number. And it's in silicone, so that's good, like that it's flexible and you can really fix it on the phone, and you can adapt it with different models, so that's good. You can switch it every year if you are an iPhone addict. And it's a gold hardware, and yeah, and you can remove the strap if you want. And I put the phone, so like that.
There we go.
So as you can see, it's really quick to put it. And yeah.
Turn it around.
Really spontaneous.
Turn it around. One, two, three. There you go.
I can actually take pictures.
Yeah. Regarding about current events, on Instagram, we received a lot of comments about our last post regarding about protest, and we were stand corrected. All lives will matter when Black Lives Matter. We know that the world is going crazy and we want justice for George Floyd, but we could have a little happy moments like this video to bring us positivity, diversion, and a little rainbow. Black Lives Matter. We are fully supporting this cause. We want to spread love and not hate. We will not condone the looting, breaking, entering, and destroying our community. In addition, we will not be able to be on the street to demonstrate our frustration about injustices and systematic racism that the country has endured. However, we, Sebastian and I, are pledging our small profits that we will make for this video to give it to the Black Vision Collective. Thank you very much for watching. We will see you again in the next video. Do what makes you happy. If you like more videos like this, do not forget to subscribe, hit the bell, like, and comment below. Thank you very much. Until next time, Black Lives Matter.